Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to find the photovoltaic charger for your Tadpole, which is a Tadpole upgrade inside of Subnautica 2. So, to start out our little upgrade adventure here today, I'm out front of the research outpost, which is about 1,300 meters directly east of the life pod. I'm sure you can get here past the squid however you choose, either along the surface or the ocean floor. And then we're gonna head to probably like 120-ish, 105 on the compass, and we're just gonna cruise until we go past the alien power station on the right side of it. What we're looking for is we're gonna go to a giant wreck that is sort of up on the highest cliff in this area that has a piece dangling down over the ledge. To get this particular upgrade, you're going to need to have a repair tool, and there's a bunch of stuff inside of this wreck that you can scan, so I would also recommend that you bring a scanner as well. So here is the wreck. It's kind of more like between 120 and southeast, but you can find it. You can tell because, again, it's got this piece wrapping around the edge and dangling down. That's where you find the bioscanner is in there if you want to know about that. But what we're interested in is here in the top. There's a big old gaping open bay door. And we're just going to park like right here in the entryway. And we're going to swim our way inside here. So this door here normally is broken. You're going to need to repair this. And then once you repair it, you can zip on in here. And in this back room here, you'll find right here on this table next to this Zazura poster, the photovoltaic charger for your Tadpole. And the way that it works is it charges when you're in shallow water the same way that the solar panels function on bases, but only when you're really close to the surface. There's also a bunch of stuff you can scan in here, including these posters. So definitely check everything out and get these black boxes that are in here as well. So once you've unlocked the photovoltaic charger, you can go into your modification station, which is where you craft that, and you go into the Tadpole upgrade modules, and you need a copper ingot, some strong acid, and a troilite in order to craft it. And then that will automatically charge your ship when it is close enough to the surface. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been where to find the charger for your ship. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.